If you want to make $20,000 or more per month, you need to serve more people. Let me show you how to do just that with less work. Now, why do you need to go to work every single day? Let's be honest here, it's not because you like to travel to work or to please your boss, it's to make money. So why does your boss hire you? Well, because the work you do for your boss makes your boss even more money. So you're basically the middleman in this case, or the middlewoman. So you are going to work every single day to make someone else the good money. And that's completely fine. That's how most people live their life. But if you are looking to make good money yourself, you need to stop being that middle person and become that top person. In other words, your own boss. Now, what if you were to do what people considered valuable work, record it, and then sell that recording? Then suddenly there's a digital version of you that is working for you completely for free, and you're still generating good money. Because right now, the real you can only go to one job, do one thing at a time, and get paid for that work. But the digital version of yourself has no limits. You can do thousands of jobs at once, as long as people are willing to pay money because they are considering your information to be valuable. Now, this is a passive income. This is how making money in your sleep becomes a reality. This is how you become your own boss. Now, does it take work to understand what others are looking for? Yes. Does it take any work to record valuable videos before you can start making money off of them? Yes. But is it worth it? Triple yes. But if you are willing to put in the work right now to just enjoy a passive income soon, then I am happy to show you exactly how all of this is done. I have put together a 45-minute free training where you have all the steps you need in order to start making passive income, and a lot of it. Just click in the description down below on that link and you get direct access to the 45-minute free training. But hey, if you are happy to stay here with me or just watch the next video, just click here, or we could just chat for a while, or you could just click here, just like here, to see the next video. Or the description box down below, just click that link, join the free training, or watch the video here.